Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term vro. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, vro is a casual way to say friend, bro, or dude. People use it when addressing someone they know in a friendly, relaxed way. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Vro first showed up in Caribbean English and spread widely through social media in the 2010s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people in online communities. Now let's check out how to use vro in a sentence. Correct example 1. Hey vro, are you coming to the party tonight? Correct example 2. I was chilling with my vro at the skate park yesterday. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said vro at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using vro right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap: vro means friend, bro, or dude. It started in Caribbean English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with vro in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.